Once upon a time, deep in the heart of a lush green forest, there lived a little bird. Now, this little bird wasn't like the other birds. She wasn't interested in singing or flying or building a nest. No, this little bird had a big dream. She wanted to be a firefighter just like the ones she saw in the village. She knew she was small, but she was also brave and quick, and she wanted to prove to the firefighters that they were wrong. So when another fire broke out, this time in an apple orchard, the bird flew as fast as she could to get the firefighters. Every day, she would fly to the village and watch the firefighters from afar. They had learned that no one is too small to make a difference. In fact, they made her an honorary member of their team, and she became known throughout the forest as the bravest little bird of them all. And that's the end of the story. She learned everything she could about their job, how they put out fires and saved people and animals from burning buildings. But the firefighters just laughed at her. They thought it was really funny to have a tiny little bird as a firefighter. "What could a little bird like you do?" one of them said, and the others all agreed. "Hey, you little bird, what do you think you're doing?" The bird took a deep breath and said, "I want to help, please," and the firefighter couldn't help but smile. He could tell the little bird was serious, so he let her lead the way to the orchard. And one day, she even got to see a real fire in action. A big log cabin in the forest had caught fire, and the firefighters were there in no time, rescuing a family of rabbits who lived in the hut. The little bird was so excited to finally see the firefighters in action that she flew right up to them and asked, Can I help?" The bird was sad, but she didn't give up. But before she could tell them about the fire, one of the firefighters saw her and shouted. When they arrived, they saw that the fire was spreading quickly and that it would soon reach the nearby houses. But thanks to the bird's quick thinking, they were able to put out the fire before any damage was done. From that day on, the firefighters never laughed at the little bird again.